What's happening, everybody? Alright, so not necessarily car or Mopar related, but I figured this was pretty cool. You ever wonder what a cicada looks like when it's coming out of that brown shell thing that you see sticking on trees or on the side of a fence? Well, stepped outside of my garage and try to get some angles of this thing here. There it is, coming out of its shell on the side of a trash bag. So anyway, say hello. That is some trippy looking stuff. So freaky. Oh my god. I don't know how much longer I can stick around for this, but anyway, wanted to show you guys what's going on around the house. That's what's happening. And there's your National Geographic's moment. Adios.